Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bluehost, access hosting control panel step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.bluehost.com and press enter. On the Bluehost homepage, locate the login button in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see two fields for inputting your credentials. In the first field, enter your existing email address associated with your Bluehost account. In the second field, type in your password. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box for Remember Me. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After a moment, you should be redirected to your Bluehost hosting control panel. Here, you will find a range of options and tools to manage your hosting services. Take a moment to explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If you encounter any issues logging in, click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to recover access to your account. That's it. You are now logged into your Bluehost hosting control panel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.